and welcome to another tutorial. My name is Tanmay Bakshi, and this time we're going to be going over IBM Watson. I'm with my mentor Rob High here.
Hello, my name is Rob High. I'm the CTO for IBM Edge Computing, formerly the CTO for IBM Watson.
Hello, my name is Tanmay Bakshi. I'm an algorithmist and I love to architect machine learning algorithms. Have you ever wanted to take your coding skills to the next level? Have you ever wanted to learn how to integrate cognitive and AI solutions into your applications? Well, it's time to answer those questions with IBM Watson. I'm thrilled to say that I've had the honor of co-authoring a book with my mentor, Rob High. So now, instead of struggling with documentation, examples, and loosely stringed together guides,
We've authored a comprehensive start-to-finish guide to understanding the Watson APIs in the form of a book called Cognitive Computing with IBM Watson.
I don't want you to think about this book as just another reference material for a bunch of REST APIs. Rather, this book explains the ideas, the structures, and even some of the high-level algorithms that go behind Watson's machine learning.
And it teaches in the way that we find best. By example, this book actually has you build real machine learning powered applications through Watson and IBM Cloud for free.
Wait no longer. Get your copy today and be proficient with the next level of coding. AI and machine learning with Watson.